Today I'm going to be turning a small piece of cherry blossom wood. Last year we had a pretty big storm that blew through and knocked a couple of these trees over. The city cut it up and I ended up with two pieces. Today my objective is to try to turn a bowl. We'll see how it works out, and I hope you all enjoy the video. I'm really happy with the way the bowl turned out. The cherry blossom wood was a nice piece of wood to turn. I sanded the bowl with a 320 grit paper and then finished it off with a fine grit polishing compound, and it polished up really nice. Really happy with the way the polishing compound brought out the grain in the wood. Nice piece. If you made it this far, I appreciate the support, and as always, thanks for watching.